completed that notes. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I share my own video also. All of you see that video? My video, that is a determinant topic.
Yes, ma'am.
How to find determinant of ah, determinant of a square matrix of order 1, determinant of square matrix of order 2, and determinant of square matrix of order 3. Children, any doubts in this topic? One by one respond me, then only I get the idea. The
Ma'am,
mess.
properties of determinants is not.
Yes, that only today I am taking properties of determinants. And up to that, how
Okay,
to
ma'am.
find the value of the determinant. Is that topic clear or not? Value of a
Yes, ma'am.
determinant. Yes, okay. So I want to get the response from each and everyone, those who are present, join in this app. One by one, okay, Vismaya, okay, Jasna, clear. Then remaining, Abhirami, Abhay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Devan present, Abhay, and already I sent the message that in your own name you join, but some of them I think the message you are not reading properly. Am I correct? Some of them they are Nokia, Redmi. Who are these fellows? I don't know. So by name, then I can see that who are joined here. Attendance also I can take. Why you people are joined in this way? Hmm? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Can you hear?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma. Who is that? Yes, madam. Tell me the name.
Abhay.
Abhay. Okay, good. Where is Midhun? I am not at all saying Midhun. Hello. Hello. Who is that Akshara? Who is that name? Who is that student? I cannot hear properly. Who is that? Tell me your name. Harsha. Harsha. Hello. Nandana Vishwanath. Present. Nandana. Nandana M. Nair.
Madam,
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
madam, I was not able to hear properly.
Any problem on just your is it your phone is
Yes, madam. Yes.
now okay, then class notes option, you see that class notes option, have you see that option there? Class notes like Zoom up you see that notes the same way here, class notes. One of you open that class notes here, one participant is a class note, it is there, take the option there, class notes. Okay, class notes, have you see that? Okay, the participants, one is class notes. That option is that paper. I am writing in that paper, notes. Okay, Devan.
Yes, madam.
Okay. You see that class notes? Open it, class notes. Can
Yes,
you?
madam.
Okay, good. Now, okay, 14 now joined. Then remaining is there. 10, 11 are there. Okay, all of you completed that. Just as a trial only, like Zoom up. Just we see that Team Link how much it is effective. That is why today we are trying that first of all. Okay, is it clear? That clarity is there. I don't know. You people say respond it. Then only we can follow this one. Raja,
And sometimes clear. And
uh,
sometimes
Yes,
we are not able to properly.
ca-
yes, madam. Yes, madam.
can you hear? Is it clear? Okay.
Clear, madam.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Then Vismaya, I think Gauri Lakshmi, when they call me, she's not getting like that.
Ma'am, Sheena called me. Ma'am, Sheena called me also. Like,
Then
yeah.
now she
When we called,
joined.
when it
She joined or not? I don't know. Gauri Lakshmi. Gauri Lakshmi, I think maybe not joined. Aparna is having some problem
try
like.
to join.
I think all of you have the electricity at your home. That also I don't know. That is why just as a trial only. Okay. So first of all, okay, we can clarify the previous topics first of all. All of you completed that class notes and homework. Now 14, I think 14 joined. You people completed that maths till date. That I want to see first of all. Okay, completed class notes. Simply you are writing the class note. It is not at all effective. That is why I am sending my own video. Then two other videos also, Shiksha and that Srinivasan sir class video. That is very effective. One by one, he is explaining each and every one. I think all of you, how many of you are watching that video, Srinivasan sir class video? Is it clear or not? Response? Is it clear or not? SARS,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
that Srinivasan sir
Yes,
video.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes. That homework last day, what is that? Board previous years board questions I sent from matrices and determinant last day class about determinants. That matrices, all of you completed that previous year's questions. Is it clear? Any doubts in any part? Tell me one by one. Harsha, Harsha, Abhay, tell me. I want the response also. First, you see your mic. Is it in mute position? Then you change it. Then respond me.
Madam ഭയങ്കര
ഭയങ്കര echo.
madam madam
Yes, echo feel ചെയ്യുന്നോ?
അതെ അതെ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താലേ കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ മാഡം ശരിക്കും
മ്യൂട്ട് പൊസിഷനിൽ വെക്കുക തൽക്കാലം ഇപ്പം. എന്നോട് സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോൾ മാത്രം മ്യൂട്ട് മാറ്റിയാൽ മതി. കേട്ടോ?
Hello.
Hello. Now make the position in mute position. After that, when you respond, then you change that position. Better. Now, okay, is it echo that?
Madam,
Ah, tell me. What's the
madam
problem?
വിട്ടുവിട്ടാ കേൾക്കുന്ന ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല പറയുന്ന.
ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല, വിട്ട് വിട്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നു അല്ലേ? നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ മോളനെ?
ഹലോ.
നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ? നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ വീട്ടില്? ഹലോ ഹലോ.
മാഡം ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല.
ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് ആരാ? നന്ദന വിശ്വനാഥാണോ? ആരാ ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞേ? ഇപ്പൊ സംസാരിച്ചേ?
ഹലോ.
ഹലോ. ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞതാരാ? നന്ദനയാണോ? എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇതേ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ ഐ വാണ്ട് ടു സീ all of you have the same problem. One by one respond me. Devan,
Ma'am, sometimes.
sometimes only echo.
Ma'am, ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക്.
ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് എക്കോ വരുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ
യെസ് മാഡം.
എക്കോ ആണോ ബ്രേക്ക് ആണോ? ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുകയാണോ അതോ എക്കോ ആണോ?
എല്ലാരും മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ മതി മാഡം.
മ്യൂട്ടാക്ക്.
എല്ലാരും മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ മതി, കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
അതെ അതെ, മ്യൂട്ട് പൊസിഷനിലാക്ക്, എല്ലാവരും മ്യൂട്ടിലാക്ക്. ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മാത്രം മ്യൂട്ട് പൊസിഷൻ മാറ്റാവൂ. അതുവരെ മ്യൂട്ടിൽ വെക്ക്. നീ എക്കോ വെക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ നോക്കിയേ. ഇപ്പൊ ഉണ്ടോ എക്കോയുടെ പ്രോബ്ലം വരുന്നുണ്ടോ?
അല്ല മാം, ബ്രേക്കായി കേൾക്കുന്നു, അതാ പ്രശ്നം. ചെറുതായിട്ട് ബ്രേക്കായി കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നത് ഒരു പക്ഷേ നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആയിരിക്കാം അല്ലേ? നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആകാനാണ് ചാൻസ് എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും അതേ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ അതെനിക്കറിയില്ല, അതാ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ മീൻസ് ഈ ലിങ്ക് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായോ, അതിനെന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ നമുക്ക് അറിയണം, എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അതാ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. ഇനി നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആണെങ്കിൽ ഓക്കെ, ചിലപ്പോൾ മഴ കൊണ്ടൊക്കെ ആകാം. അബിന് പ്രോബ്ലം?
മാഡം എനിക്ക് വിട്ടാ കേക്കുന്നേ.
ആരെ? നന്ദന വിശ്വനാഥാണോ ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞത്? നന്ദനയാണോ ഇപ്പൊ
ഹലോ,
അതോ ജസ്നയാണോ?
അല്ല ഹർഷ.
ഹർഷയ്ക്ക് വിട്ടുവിട്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നു. അബിനോ? അബിൻ എന്ത് പറയുന്നു? ക്ലിയർ ആണോ അബിൻ?
മാഡം ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ വിട്ടു വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നു അല്ലേ? നെറ്റ് അപ്പൊ എല്ലാരും പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ ലിങ്കിന്റെ വല്ല പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ നോക്കട്ടെ. വിട്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നു, നോക്കാം എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടോ നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. ലിങ്കിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ? അങ്ങനെ വരാം. ഇനിയും സീസണിന്റെ ഇതാണോ ആയിട്ട്. ഇപ്പോഴോ? ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? ഹലോ സിദ്ധാർത്ഥ്, എവിടെ? സിദ്ധാർത്ഥ്, ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കാമോ?
അല്ല മാഡം, അവസാനം ആവുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ബ്രേക്ക് ആയി പോകുന്നുണ്ട്.
അവസാനം ബ്രേക്ക് ആയി പോണു അല്ലേ?
ഹലോ.
ഹലോ, ഇപ്പൊ ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? മിസ് പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കാമോ? ഹലോ. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ അതോ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന സെന്റൻസ് ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഹലോ ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. കേൾക്കാം. ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നുണ്ടോ? നിങ്ങൾ ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നു പറയുന്നു. അഭയ്ക്ക് എക്കോടെ പ്രോബ്ലം വരുന്നു. രാജ എന്ത് പറയുന്നു? ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന ഫുൾ സെന്റൻസ് കേൾക്കാം, ബ്രേക്ക് ആവാതെ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടോ? ഇടയ്ക്ക് എക്കോ വരുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ? എക്കോ വരുന്നതിന് മെജോറിറ്റി എക്കോ പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആപ്പിന്റെ എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ? മ്യൂട്ടിലാണല്ലോ എല്ലാവരും അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് കണ്ടിന്യൂറ്റി പോവല്ലോ അങ്ങനെ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇല്ലേ? ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ പോവില്ലേ? ഒന്നുകൂടെ നോക്കാം. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ് ദാറ്റ് ക്ലാസ് നോട്ട്സ്. ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ പറയണം. കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ് യുവർ ക്ലാസ് നോട്ട്സ്?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Yes? Is it any break in that sentence? ഉണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ ആണോ? അവസാനമായപ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ. Then what about your that homework topic? Previous year's board questions that I think Nandana M. Nair has one doubt already. She told me about that. That I will write it and send. So there is no problem in that question. Okay. And others also respond me. I told you that last class. I told you I want to get the feedback from your side. But very few only, when I am calling, then only response is coming. I want to get the response in my WhatsApp. Any doubts? I want the conversation in that WhatsApp. Tell me.
And that day I had asked you. And that day I had asked you a doubt regarding a question.
Which one?
Ma'am, 1 second.
That first question I think may be maximum value. Is it?
No, ma'am, 18 to 19 question.
18 and 19. I want to see that which question I don't know now. Previous years that booklet I want to see that then only. 18th and 19th. Okay, I note down that one. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Then determinant first part, is it clear or not? I hope because my video class I explained each and every with examples. That is sufficient for you. And how many of you are regularly watching and studying? I don't know because due to this lockdown, it is only the probability. We don't know when the school will be open or not. We don't know. No idea we have. So that is why this is the actually the same class. We are doing this online class. So daily teachers are sending video classes, notes, etc. That you must learn properly, and the doubts you clarify through this media only. What we can do? Clear? All of you can hear me? Yes, Siddharth. Siddharth, Neeraja, Anand, no response. All of you are online. Siddharth, present?
Yes, madam.
Yes, very good. Anand? Anand?
Yes, madam.
Who is
Yes,
this
madam.
Galaxy? Who is that? Whose name changed as Galaxy? I don't know. Who is Galaxy name?
Madam,
Ah,
Nandana.
Nandana. So one thing you read the message properly. Now I send one message. You in your own name you join. Remaining okay. Abhay Krishnan, Nandana, Anand, Siddhartha, Abhay. Everything okay. It is very clear. But some names it is there. I don't know who joined in some other name.
മാഡം അത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഞാൻ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തോളാം. അത് കണ്ടില്ല. ആ
Ah,
ഡിവൈസിന്റെ നെയിം കിടക്കുന്നതാന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു.
okay, മോളെ അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത പ്രാവശ്യം കാരണം then only I can take the attendance also. Okay.
മാഡം.
Yes. Now the next topic is properties of determinants. Okay. I think all of you complete that notes. Properties of determinant notes completed. Once you read that topic, കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ ഞാൻ പറയണേ? Properties of determinant topics complete ചെയ്തോ notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then see the first property. The value of the determinants unchanged if rows and columns are interchanged. You take your own notes also. Can I continue? Give me the signal. Yes or no? Is any problem? Vismaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That first one is the value of determinant remains unchanged if rows and columns are interchanged. That means in that notes you see that A is equal to determinant. That is wrong actually. You write determinant A. Okay. Determinant A is equal to, is it visible? Notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Determinant A. So in your notes also you change like determinant A, not A. Determinant A is equal to determinant 1 minus 1 0 2 1 3 minus 2 minus 1 4. Is it visible?
Yes, madam.
Yes. So in your notes, just you see your notes also. Okay. So wherever the some errors, because taking speed that time, I think maybe that symbol is not coming. So wherever the correction needed, okay, I will tell now, just to change it. So determinant A, not A, determinant A. Determinant A is here, this one, determinant A. See that not? Determinant A. Okay. Determinant A is equal to means, here you find out the value, you know. What is the method there? First element, that means 1, not minus 1, plus 1. Okay. So 1 into, what is the method? Remember, delete this row and this column. So 1 into remaining is minus 1, sorry, 1, 3, minus 1, 4. Okay. Plus, next is what? Next sign is coming as what? What is that? Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Minus. This minus 1. The sign is minus. Then that element minus 1. Then delete this column and this row. The remaining is what? 2, 3. Minus 2,
Minus
4.
2, 4.
Correct? Good. Then plus, that is the sign you remember. First is plus, second is minus, third is plus. Okay. So next is plus 0 into. So leave it. Whatever it is, leave it. Because it is coming with 0. Okay. So you expand it, you get the answer as 21. The notes also, it is written there 21. You can see your note also. Is it 21? Yes. So this is what? Determinant A. Okay. Then what is that property says? Property says that the
Madam,
rows are
break ആണ് madam sound.
break ആവുന്നോ? Sound break ആവുന്നു. ഇപ്പോഴോ? Clear now? Is it clear now?
ഇല്ല ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്.
Break ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay. Visible ആണോ? ഞാൻ എഴുതുന്നത് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? ഞാൻ ഈ എഴുതുന്ന നോട്ട്സ് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്?
യെസ് മാഡം.
Okay.
പറയുന്നത് ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് കട്ടാവുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ. പറയുന്നത് കട്ടാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഈ നോട്ട് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോളാം. ഞാൻ ഈ ഇത് എഴുതി കാണിക്കുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോളാം. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം നോക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ടോന്ന്. ക്ലിയർ? എക്കോ. ഈ റെയിനി സീസണിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് അറിയാൻ പറ്റണില്ല. യെസ്. So here the answer is coming as 21. Then what is that property says? Rows and columns interchanged. Rows and columns interchanged means, can you say what is that matrix? In a matrix, rows and columns interchange, you get a matrix. What is that matrix actually? Yes. Transpose. Okay. So in this matrix, I change rows and column, then it becomes A dash. That is transpose. Okay. Then I take
Madam, കേൾക്കാൻ വയ്യ madam. Break ആയി പോകുന്നു sound.
സൗണ്ട് ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നു അല്ലേ? എന്തിന്റെ പ്രോബ്ലം ആണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ലല്ലോ ഞങ്ങളെ. ഞാൻ ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാം. എന്തായാലും ഇത് റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പം ഞാൻ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഞാൻ ഇടാം, വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് വിടാം. ഹലോ ഹലോ. ഓക്കെ. മഴ കാരണം കേട്ടോ നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയതെ, റെയിനി സീസണിന്റെ ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം ആണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു. എന്തായാലും ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സിന്റെ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ വിടാം. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സൗണ്ട് ക്ലിയർ ആയി കിട്ടിക്കോളൂ, പ്രശ്നം വരില്ല. യെസ്. അപ്പൊ ഇനി ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന ഈ നോട്ട്സ് നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കിക്കോണം. എ ഡാഷ്. എ ഡാഷ്, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് എ ഡാഷ് ഈസ് എ മെട്രിക്സ് obtained by interchange rows and columns. So A dash is coming as first row become first column. That means 1. ഈ നോട്ട്സ് നോക്കിക്കോളൂ നിങ്ങൾ. പ്രോബ്ലം വരുന്ന സൗണ്ടിൽ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നോട്ട്സ് നോക്കും. 1 minus 1 0. What is that? First row become first column. Second row becomes second column. Third row means minus 2 minus 1 4. Minus 2 minus 1 4. Okay. Now you expand this determinant as usual with the first row or any column, you get the same answer. 1 into, okay, 1 into, what is the method? Delete this row and this column. So you get the answer as 1 into 1 minus 1, 3, 4. Minus, the second element is 2. This one and this one. So 1 minus 1, 0, 4. Okay. Plus, third element is minus 2. This row and this column. So you get minus 1, 1, 0, 3. As usual, expand it, you get the same answer. So it means determinant A is same as determinant A dash. This is very, very important property. Last board question also, last year question also, the similar one question is there. Okay, what is that? Determinant A is same as determinant A dash. Okay, clear now? First property clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now go to second property. You see your notes also. Okay, second property, if any two rows or columns are interchanged, that means the matrix is given as A is the matrix, 2 minus 3, you see your notes, 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. This is the matrix. Okay. Now I take the determinant of this matrix. As usual, determinant 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. You know how to find out the answer? You expand it. You can see the answer, it is given by minus 28. You can see your notes also. Expand it. You know how to expand it. It is coming as minus 28. Then what to do? Any two rows, suppose I am changing here two rows. See which row is changing here, see the notes. Which row is changing? R1 to R2. That arrow mark, you see that. R1 to R2. Any two rows only. No, three rows are there, is it? But we are considering only two rows. R1 and R2. What is the meaning of both arrow? R1 becomes R2, R2 becomes R1. Okay. Now suppose that determinant I am writing as say delta 1. Delta 1 is the new determinant formed by how? The first row is what? R2. What is that? 6, 0, 4. Second row as R1. 2 minus 3, 5. Third row, no change at all. As it is. We give the transformation only for R1 and R2. How? R1 becomes R2, R2 becomes R1. That means any two rows are interchanged. Third row remains unchanged. Clear? The same manner, you expand this delta 1. I give the new name delta 1. How? You know it. What is that? 6 into, delete this row, this column. The remaining is minus 3, 5, 5 minus 7. Minus 0 into, so leave it. 0 into means don't write anything at all. 0 you leave it. This also not needed. The last one is plus 4 into, okay, 2 minus 3, 1, 5. The same manner you see that the answer is coming as 28. 28 means it can be written as minus of minus 28, right? Okay, minus minus plus. But what is this minus 28? Already we have the answer. Suppose that is delta or determinant A. You get it is minus delta. or we can say it is minus determinant A, correct? So what is that property says? If two rows are interchanged, the sign of the determinant is changed with the minus sign. If it is minus 28, now the answer is what? 28. So what about three rows are interchanged then? Can you see the answer there? Same. Is it?
Same.
Yes. So that is the second property. Clear now? Yes. So remember all these properties. How many? Because you are getting one question for 4 marks. Evaluate the determinant or prove that. Using properties of determinant is that clause is understood. It is not given like this. But that question you can prove only by using properties. So how many properties are there? You should learn thoroughly. Otherwise you cannot solve it. So now these two properties, is it clear or not? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Now the third property, you see your notes. Third property says that if any rows or columns of a determinant are identical means same. See the question there. Suppose third property, see your notes. A is the matrix. Matrix. A means you write only matrix. Okay. When determinant A is coming, determinant means very carefully see that it is not absolute value, it is only the symbol. Okay. So now I write the matrix. A is the matrix 3, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, 3, 2, 3. This is the matrix. So now I write determinant A. That means this matrix symbol totally changed as like this. What is that? 3, 2, 3 determinant. 2, 0, 3, 3, 2, 3. So the property says that if any two rows or two columns are same, here you can see R1 and R3 same. Am I correct? All of you are following me? First row and third row are same or identical. You expand this. How to expand this? Suppose I am expanding along with the first row. You know 3 into remaining. This cancel 0, 3, 2, 3 minus 2 into. Delete this column, this row 2, 3, 3, 3 plus 3 into. Okay, delete this, you get 2, 0, 3, 2. You expand this, finally you arrive at the answer 0. What is the meaning of that? If any two rows, here rows I consider. Similarly, suppose we consider the 3, 2, 3, suppose first column and second column are identical, then you expand it, you get the answer 0. So this type of question, that means using this property, you get 1 mark question. Clear? 1 mark question means show that. 1 mark means you apply only this property. How can we prove that determinant of a matrix is 0 means? One method is, what is that? Two rows or two columns are identical, no doubt at all. You cannot expand all this. Simply, suppose this is the determinant we are getting, directly you write the answer what? 0. There is no need to expand this. Clear? Otherwise, any row or any column, complete element is 0. That type of matrix is coming very rare only. Okay, understand what I told now? Suppose I consider a matrix with the first row full 0. Here 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 3, 2, 3. Then determinant value is 0. Why? Because we expand along with the first row, consider it is fully 0. So 0 etc. minus 0 etc. plus 0 etc. means what is the value? 0. Okay. So that chance is very rare. So prove that the value is 0 means you remember this property. What is that property? Any two rows or any two columns identical, the value of the determinant is 0.
0.
Clear now? Third property. Yes, I want to get the response. No response at all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now go to fourth property. Fourth property is very, very important, because that next exercise we are using maximum this type, that is the fourth property, and one more property is there, fifth, fourth and fifth. What is that fourth property? Very, very important. I will say why it is important. Say that fourth one, if each element of a row or column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k. Constant k means it is a non-zero constant. Okay, the value get multiplied by k. You see your notes, you can see that suppose determinant is sometime it is denoted by this like delta, you know. So delta is equal to 2 3 6. What is that? 3 1 0 5 6 2. The same question I am mentioning here also, the delta. We can see that expand this one, you know how to expand it, you get the answer is 64, because it is written in that notes. Don't you not simply write to 64 in class notes, you write it, after that one by one you do it, okay, in your revision book. Not simply writing the answer, you do it, because then through practice only you get the idea, and speed also evaluation of determinant. Okay, now delta 1, what is that delta 1? I mentioned, see that delta 1 means, see, first row, only first row of the determinant, not matrix I am saying, first row of the determinant is multiplied by 2. Okay, so that is delta 1. Actually delta 1 we can see that, what I consider now, first row multiplied by 2, it becomes 4 6 12. No change in second and third. Second as it is 3 1 0 5 6 2. The same thing you expand, you can see that the answer is, it is given 128, that is 4 into, delete this 1062 minus 6 into, delete this 3052 plus 12 in, delete this 3156. You know that speed, you maintain the speed also, very, very important. So you can see that the answer is 128. But you know that 128 is, what is the relation with the 64? 2 times, is it? 2 into 64. What is this 2? This 2, we multiplied first row by this 2. But the whole effect is coming as 2 into 64. 2 into what? This delta. So you get the answer is 2 delta now. Delta 1 is equal to 2 delta. Clear? So what is that property says? So what is the difference between this determinant and matrix? Can you say? What is the difference between 2a? Can you say what is 2a? A is the matrix. Suppose this matrix. The matrix is 2 3 6. This is the matrix. 3 1 0 5 6 2. This is the matrix. Then can you say what is this 2a? What is the meaning of 2a?
എല്ലാ എലിമെന്റിനെയും 2 കൊണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റു
Yes, very good. Each and every element of the matrix is multiplied by 2. That means 2a is same as 4, 6, 12, 6, 2, 0, 10, 12, 4. This is 2a. But what is this 2 determinant a? What is the meaning of that? Any row or any column. Understand? Any row or any column is multiplied by that constant k. Here we consider the constant is 2. Then it will affect the full determinant. How? It is same as 2 into that delta, that full determinant. Okay, that is very, very important. This property, very careful. Clear? Now next one is coming as, see that a is equal to, now you can see that that is after taking this 1 2 3 2 4 6 9 27 36, one question is there, that same question in your classwork copy. So here also you note down this determinant a. Okay, see this, not a, determinant a, change it. So determinant a is equal to, evaluate this determinant. See, you can see determinant a is equal to determinant 1 2 3 2 4 6 9 27 36. Okay, now the same property here we can apply. Can you see any common factor in second row? Second row I am considering here. Suppose, what is the common factor? What is the common factor in second row? 2 4 6 2, correct? So we consider not all the rows and columns. No, in determinant you see that any row common factor is there. Yes, second row the common factor is 2. You take it out. You take it out means there is no change in first row, no change in third row. Okay, the change is coming where? Second row. Okay, so I am writing first row no change, third row no change, second row only I take this 2 out. You can see that 1 2 3. Clear? Okay, so you can see that here the answer is 2 into, direct you can write 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Get savings, convenience, and continuity with Airtel long duration packs. Recharge for Airtel DTH 6 for 12 month pack.
Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me? അവിടെ ടി വി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് ഓഫ് ചെയ്തേ, ടി വിയുടെ സൗണ്ട് എനിക്ക് കേൾക്കാം. ടി വി ഓഫ് ചെയ്യണേ, നിങ്ങൾ മാറിയിരിക്കണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ടി വി ഓഫ് ചെയ്യുക. ആരൊക്കെയോ ടി വി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, എനിക്ക് കേൾക്കാം. യെസ്, നൗ യു ക്യാൻ സീ ദാറ്റ് 2 ഇൻറ്റു, നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ് നോട്ട്സിനകത്ത് 2 ഇൻറ്റു 9 അവിടെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് കാരണം തേർഡ് റോയിൽ 9ഉം എടുക്കാം, അതുകൊണ്ട് 9 അവിടെ കൊടുത്തു എന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. ആക്ച്വലി അതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യം വരുന്നില്ല. ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് തന്നെ ഈ നോട്ട് നോക്കിക്കോണം. നോട്ടിൽ 2 ഇൻറ്റു ഇവിടെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ഈ 9 എടുക്കാൻ കാര്യം ഇതിനകത്തുനിന്ന് ഈ 9 കോമൺ എടുത്തു, നമുക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ചെടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ 9 ഇവിടെ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ 9 ഇവിടെ എടുക്കാൻ കാര്യം ആക്ച്വലി അതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യം ഇല്ല. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 റോസ് ആർ ഐഡന്റിക്കൽ ആണ് അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് 0 കൊടുക്കാം, ബിക്കോസ് 2 റോസ് ആർ ഐഡന്റിക്കൽ. ഇത് നോക്കേ വേണ്ട. സോ യു ഗെറ്റ് ദ ആൻസർ ഈസ് വാട്ട്? 0. ക്ലിയർ? പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? യെസ്, മനസ്സിലായോ? ഹലോ, കേൾക്കാമല്ലോ. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പം 9 എടുത്താലും ഒരേ സമയം തന്നെ നമുക്ക് കോമൺ എടുക്കാം. ഇതെടുത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പിനകത്ത് ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ എഴുതിയില്ലേ, ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പിനകത്ത് ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ 9 കൂടെ കോമൺ എടുത്തു അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ, പക്ഷെ അതിന് മുമ്പ് നമുക്ക് 0 കൊടുക്കാം. So no need of taking this common factor. If you take this common factor, then also no problem at all. Then you take the next step as you write it after this step, 2 into 9. Then you can see that 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You expand it, you can see that the answer is 0. So the final answer is coming as what? 0. Now you see this is an example question. Your textbook, that example is there. What is that? Evaluate. That I will write. What is that question? You see that? Evaluate determinant 102, 18, 36, 1, 3, 4, 17, 3, 6. This type of question I told you, this is coming only for 1 mark. Clear? That type of question. That means the answer is coming as 0. Already keep it in your mind, because the 4 marks question means it needs only 3-4 steps. Here we can write in one step answer. So first, what is the first step? You see that any common factor here. Because 1, 3, 4, you can see that they are all prime. There is no co-prime numbers, no common factor here. 17, 3, 6, no common factor. So the chance is coming where? First row. Is it? First row, you can see that common factor is there, and you keep it in your mind. If you take a common factor, you can see that the remaining row, it is identical with any second or third row, no doubt at all. So we can see here first row I take 6 common. So we can see that 17 into 6, okay, then 6 into 3, 18, 6. So by property you can take from the first row of the determinant this 6 out. That means remaining second row and third row, no change at all. What is that? 1, 3, 4. What is 17, 3, 6. So you can see that first row and third row identical. So what is the answer for this? 0. So you can see that 6 into 0, 0. Clear now? So we can complete this answer only in one step. Just you see that practical thinking and logical thinking, not simply this chapter. Now properties of determinant onwards, that exercise, not simply by hurting method, not possible. Just you see, what is that? Practical and logical, both. Because you get the idea that no doubt at all, any two rows or columns are identical. So which common factor we have to consider out. Okay, so simply you see that 6 out, you can see that these two rows are identical. So the answer is 0. Clear? Then the last property. No, fifth property. What is that? If sum of all elements of a row or column are expressed as the sum of two or more terms. Understand? That means the example it is given there. A1 plus lambda. That correction is there. You see that? Book you correct it. A1 plus lambda, A2 plus lambda. You change it. A3 plus lambda. Correct it? First row, A1 plus lambda, lambda 1, A2 plus lambda 2, A3 plus lambda 3. What is the meaning of this? You correct the first row. Clear? Then you can see that first row is the sum of two numbers. First element is the sum of A plus lambda 1, A and lambda 1 sum. Second element is A2 and lambda 2 sum. Third is A3 and lambda 3 sum. Any row is the sum of two terms. Then what is the property says? This can be split up. This determinant can be split up as sum, because here the sign is sum. That is why we write it plus. Okay. So what is that first determinant? First element A1, A2, A3. Second row and third row, no change at all. Plus. Why this plus? Because here this plus. Plus, what is the second determinant? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Clear? Any row or column is the sum of more terms, not only the two terms. For example, see the question there. Show that determinants A, B, C, A plus 2x, B plus 2y, C plus 2z. Second row. Third row, x, y, z. If you complete these notes, then only you get benefited while I am teaching. Otherwise, no idea at all. So that is why first you complete all the notes till up to date. Update your notes. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Clear? Learning process become too difficult when you are not completing your notes. Yes. Now, this question is for 2 marks. 2 marks question. Listen. Here we apply this fifth property. the second row can be written as a plus 2x, sum of two terms. What are the two terms? A and 2x. Similarly, the row complete, each element is the sum of two terms. So this is equal to, what is that property says? The first row, third row, no change. A, B, C, third row, X, Y, Z. So what is the change in the second row here? You take only the first term, A, B, C, plus, that plus is coming middle. Determinant. Here also, first row, third row, no change. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Correct? Third row, second row become what? 2x, 2y, 2z. Clear? Respond here. Vismaya? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Otherwise, I think that you people, because some net connection or maybe you are not hearing, that is why in between I am calling one by one. Okay. Yes. So this is equal to, now get the idea. What is this property says? Any row, here this second row, is the sum of two terms, maybe three terms. Three terms means what to do? You write the given determinant as the sum of three determinants. Here this determinant can be written as two determinant sum. Why? Because the second row is the sum of two terms. That is why two determinants. Okay. Now this determinant you can see. Can you say the property there? First row and second row identical. You get the answer 0. Plus here first row no change, third row no change, second row by the property, previous property, 2 common, is it? 2x, 2y, 2z, that we can take out. If 2 out, what is the remaining? X, Y, Z. Now again you can see that second row, third row identical. So you can see what is the answer getting? This 0 plus 2 into 0. Correct? Finally the answer is 0. Clear? Siddharth? Siddharth?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Can you follow me? Yes or no? This property clear or not? This example question. Yes. Okay. How this answer is coming as 0, clear? Yes. Now coming as the last property. What is that? Sixth property. That sixth property is also very, very important in the case of 4 marks question. Now here we consider this property. Okay, this mainly for 2 marks, but 4 marks also in between we are applying. But that next property, sixth property, majority we consider for what? 4 marks question. Okay, what is that property says? If to each element of any row or column, okay, of the determinant, okay, it is multiply, the other row or column are added. That means, see that property, but with example it is very clear. Ri changes to, you can see that property. What is that? Ri means maybe R1 or R2 or R3 like that. Ri changes to, what is that property? Ri plus, here which row consider? The same row starts. Ri to Ri, okay, not completed, plus a non-zero scalar k, that multiplied by any other, means Rj. Okay, here we consider this R operation means not coming in between column. No, if we consider row operation means row only, row transformation only. That is why here I consider the same you can write with the Ci changes to, that case of column cases. Okay, row or column you can apply. Clear? So here I consider Ri2 means this the same Ri you start, that is very, very important. R1 means, for example, you can write here, suppose I am writing R1. First row changes to a new R1. Maybe this R1 directly R1 here, no change. Plus or minus you can write. If k is a minus 1 or minus 2, then it becomes sign is minus. Okay, so this k, suppose I put it 2. Then Rj means suppose it is R3, like this. So R1 changes to R1 plus 2R3, this operation, this type of operation. That is that property 6. Understand? R1 changes to, similarly, suppose I am taking R2 here. For example, R2 changes to, like this. Then you start with what? R2. You can write R2 minus R1. This operation possible. What is this k value here? Minus 1. That means R2 plus minus 1 into R1. So this operation possible, this type of operation. Clear now? Or we can write R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Possible. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Possible. Here each case, what is that scalar? Here the scalar is 1 R2. Here the scalar is 1 R3. This is possible. Similarly, for example, I am considering C3 changes to, okay, C3 minus C2 minus C1 possible. These all cases we consider that sixth property. Understand what is that sixth property? C3, suppose we plan the transformation gives to C3, third column. Transformation means the new column is coming. The third column asks which operation we are giving now. What is here? The same here. No change. Understand? C3, then we can take here minus C2, minus. These are all with logical or practical thinking, I told you already. Through practice only you get this part. That question, which operation is possible? Okay, so this is the way we consider the, what is that, sixth property. That is why example 11 it is given in that note. Prove that a plus b plus c, etc. You see that R2, next question you can see that R2 changes to C, R2 minus 2R1, all this with the sixth property. Then R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. These two operations together you can give. Why? Because R2, the new R2 is coming. This R3 changes to means new R3 is coming. So this new R2, new R3, no relation. Together, no relation. Hello. Hello children. Devan. Hello. Ismaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in between some, I think maybe net problem, that is why the connection failed. Now I think okay. Yes. So see that property, that example, R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1, R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. This both together we can give in the next step. That is why here the second row becomes, what is that second row? 0A, 2A plus B. Third row means third row becomes R3 minus 3R1. R1 multiplied by 3. That is subtracted from R3. That is why this third row becomes 0. What is that? 3A, 7A plus 3B. First row, no change at all. First row is what? A plus B, A plus B plus C. So you can expand with the first column because already I explained first column maximum number of zeros, that is 2 zeros it is there. That is why you consider only expansion with the first column. Then you get the answer with what is that? Next is coming as the answer. Finally the answer is coming as a cube. Can you see this answer notes? Just you go through the notes. Now I am referring only that notes. Show that question. It is repeated board question, no doubt. Similarly, go through that example 4. Example 4 is again board question. I think maybe 2016. Determinant B plus C delta is equal to determinant B plus C A B C plus A B C C A plus B. Show that this is of example 14. Show that this is equal to what? 4ABC. So remember, these properties of determinant, total altogether 6 properties are there. But examination, the condition is there, minimum 3 properties you should apply. They are not mentioning in the question, but this is the method. Minimum 3 properties you should apply. After that, direct expansion you can consider. Clear? So in this question, that is why I am giving a stress upon this question. Here there is no need of 3 properties. That examination, this question asked in the evaluation camp also, the discussion with this one, there is no need of 3 properties. So textbook it is given only 2 properties. Then enough. Only for this question 2 properties. Remaining all you can see that minimum 3 properties. Okay. So this one method is R1 changes to as usual that not R1 plus R2 plus R3. It is not compulsory that only this operation consider. No. You can apply instead of this, textbook it is given as R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. That is also possible. Then naturally the question is coming, how madam this property, how does we know that this property we can apply? This is only through practice. The method is we have to get the answer for ABC as a simple answer. To get the simple answer, out of the 6 properties, which one are easy to apply to get to coming this answer? That is why the beginning I told you that practical and logical. Clear? That is why we can apply or we can consider only these 6 properties. Remember, no other properties possible. So out of these 6 properties, which one is applicable to make this determinant easy one? And finally the answer is coming as 4ABC. Okay. So first of all, you can consider either this operation or this operation. Any one of them. Okay, so textbook consider with R1 changes to, that means no R1. There is no change in second row and third row, no change. Only you change R1. What is the operation for R1? You subtract R2 and R3 from R1. That is that R1 changes to R1 minus R2 minus R3. Textbook method. Here I consider, what is that? Another step. R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is coming in the notes. So you apply that, the changes goes to only for R1. So you can see that. Suppose I consider the first one. You see the determinant becomes 2B plus 2C, 2A plus 2C, 2A plus 2B, second and third, no change. Then we apply one of the properties, see the first row, you can see that 2 common. So you take it out. That is, I think, maybe third property. So you can take it this 2 out. We can see the answer. What is that 2 out? 2 determinants. Okay. Is it clear? Visible? Not visible? Nandana Vishwanath? Hello? Hello? Can you hear?
മാഡം സൗണ്ട് ഇടയ്ക്ക് വലിയുന്നുണ്ട്.
സൗണ്ട് വലിയുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ നോട്ട്സ് എഴുതുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ?
അതെ.
ക്ലിയർ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, അത് മതി. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് റോ യു ക്യാൻ സി 2 കോമൺ. Is it? So take it 2 out. So you can see B plus C, A plus C, A plus B, second and third, no change. As it is, just again we entry this notes, the second and the third row elements. Okay. Then next operation it is coming as, it is written there, your class notes. Okay. Class notes it is written. What is that? R1 changes to R1 minus R2 plus R3. Why we consider this operation? Because if possible, you consider any row or column, because this type of question is coming for 3 by 3 matrix only, or 3 by 3 determinant. Okay. So if we get maximum number of 0, maximum means not 3 zeros, 2 zeros there. If 2 zeros possible, that is good. For that only we are trying to make 2 zeros in any row or column. If it is not possible, okay, minimum 1 zero. Then our work become so easy. Okay, that is why we consider here R1 minus R2 plus R3. So you get only change in R1 means second and third row, no change. Then after that, it is not possible for any operation, then you expand. Okay. Or textbook method in another way it is given. You check whether textbook that example method or this notes method, which is easy for you, that only you consider. Both are correct. Okay. So now what you are learning, one thing you should remember, this type of question, properties of determinant question, through practice only possible, not simply when you are getting the getting examination one question, okay, I remember through reading only. No chance to attempt the question, attend and not getting the answer, no doubt at all. So what to do? Today you learn this topic, today itself you practice it. Last day you complete the notes only. You completed your notes last day. But today you are learning. Understand? Through this video, and at the same time, if any doubt, that is doing that Srinivasan sir video, that also you watch, then clear it. Okay. Then the same way, the remaining questions all, one by one. So go through that next question, that is, I think, miscellaneous exercise question. Miscellaneous exercise is very, very important question. Alpha square beta plus gamma, beta square gamma plus alpha, gamma square alpha plus beta. This is miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise question. Okay. So show that this is equal to RHS, it is given by, what is that? Beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha, etc. RHS answer. So here, class note one method is there. What is that? C1 changes to C1 plus C3. But the another easy method I will tell you now. That also note down in your notes. Can you say? Can you make one common factor? Can you make a common factor in any row or any column? One of you tell me the answer. Not this method. I told you, you can suggest any method. we have to get what I told you, a common factor in any column or any row. Anybody? One suggestion. Can you hear me? Yes?
വോയിസ് ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്.
Voice break ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay, can you make one common? Okay, I tell you now. See, here this is the easy method. Alpha, beta, gamma. Okay? You add this third column to this first column. Clear? What is the operation? Can you say?
വോയിസ്
Voice break ആവുന്നു. Is it this one clear? Notes clear? Notes? Notes clear ആണല്ലോ. Okay. Now you see, I make this operation. C1 changes to C1 plus C3. This is the easy method. You write in your notes. Notes, another method is written because the children, they done their own method. The easy method I tell you, C1 changes to, no doubt, C1 plus C3. So what is the new C1 now? This C3 adding to C1. So it become C1 already there. You write the C1 element, alpha plus, what you do? C3 add. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma. Again, beta plus alpha plus gamma, which is same as alpha plus beta plus gamma. Gamma already there. Adding alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Second and third, no change. Okay. Then what to do? First column, we get a common factor. What is this? Alpha plus beta plus gamma out. Common factor is always outside. So you get here 1, 1, 1. Then remaining as it is. No change in second and third column. Okay. Then what to do? So here now we are doing, listen, one, suppose you are getting, remember this method also, if you are getting any row or any column 1, 1, 1 like this, if possible you make this step. What is that? Any row or column 1, 1, 1. Then this 1 means it is coming in the first row. No change in the first row as it is. Okay, so we can do alpha plus beta plus gamma into first row. I am making no change 1. What is the element there? Alpha square beta plus gamma. Then second row, this 1 you make it 0. Can you say what is the method for making 1, 0? 1 is coming in R2. And this 1 you subtract for considering R1. So what is the operation? Can you say? R2 changes to this 1 I am making 0. So R2 changes to means R2 you start. I told you already. Then what to do? You take this, what is that? First row, because first row we are making no change. First row as it is. So we can take the help of this R1. So R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Same way, the third row, this also you make it 0. Why? Why I am making this 1, 0, this 1, 0? Can you say? Because easy evaluation of this determinant. In 3 by 3 matrices, we make maximum 2 zeros. That is why I make this 1, 0, this 1, 0. So this 1 0 means this is coming in the third row. So operation goes to R3. So I write R3 changes to, so you start from R3. R3 minus you take the help of this R1. R1 is still remaining there. So you get second row as, what is that second row? Beta square minus 0, beta square minus alpha square, alpha minus beta, then 0, gamma square minus alpha square, gamma minus alpha. Clear? Is it this step clear? Then can you say, first row, no change at all because there is no other work in first row. Leave it. Second row, you can see that beta square minus alpha square, alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta is here. Here also we can write, take one minus out. So what is this answer? Minus of 1 alpha square beta plus alpha gamma, no change. Second is 0, no change. Here I make the change that minus of alpha square minus beta square. Here alpha minus beta. Here alpha minus beta, that is why here also I consider alpha square minus beta square. Third one, 0. Here we have gamma minus alpha. Here also gamma square minus alpha square. How to write gamma square minus alpha square? A square minus b square identity. Gamma plus alpha into gamma minus alpha. Remaining is no change, gamma minus alpha. Then here alpha minus beta, here alpha square minus beta square. You can take alpha minus beta common. Here you can take gamma minus alpha common. That is the next step. We can see that notes also the same step. Alpha minus beta common, gamma minus alpha common. After that, our work over because we make these 2 zeros in that 3 by 3 matrices. So expand along with what? First column. Then finally you arrive at the answer. Okay, so the remaining 2-3 questions are there. That is also very important. Complete that or learn that questions through practice only. Okay, do practice and learn. So next day we can consider what is that next topic. That means area of a triangle using determinant. That notes today I will send it, you complete that notes. What is the topic? Area of the triangle using determinant. That's actually the application of determinant. Okay, so I hope that anybody having doubt in any topic through WhatsApp message, I will clear it. Okay, yes. So today I think time over because of some lagging beginning, that is why time over. Okay, see you next day. Respond all of you. Nandanayam Nair, Nandana, Jasna, how many are there now? 18 now, I think present, 18 present. Okay, Anand, Abin, clear? And I don't know who is this Nokia, I don't know who is this Vivo, who is this Moto. So next time your name, then only I can call one by one. Okay. Nokia, who is that Nokia? Nokia Nandana. So next time I want to see your original name, real name only. I don't want this what is a duplicate name. Okay. Yes. Okay then. See you.